How to get $20 Amazon coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Amazon coupon code. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working coupon code for Amazon. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer for Amazon. Just scroll and check 40% off, $50 off, $25 off, and many more. Hit towards the offer that you wanna grab, just click on it. You'll get the code, copy it, then you can click on Redeem at Amazon. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you'll find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers. The process is same. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working coupon code for Amazon. This way, you can easily get $20 Amazon working coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.